Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add follow button on my Facebook account. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, click on your profile picture, then you simply need to scroll down and in the bottom you can see an option of settings and privacy. Click on that, click on settings. Simply you need to scroll down and here you can see different options. So first is how people find and contact you. So you simply need to click here and click on friends of friends. Then you need to go back and here you can see post option. Click on that. Who can see your future posts? So here you need to select public. Then you need to go back and here you can see followers and public content and who can follow me. So you simply need to select public. Then you simply need to go back again, click on your profile picture, click here, click on three dots and click on view as. So here you can see. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.